Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to make butter by hand. First, gather your ingredients and tools. You'll need 1 pint of cold, heavy cream, a large bowl, and a whisk or electric mixer. Make sure your cream is very cold, as this helps the fat separate more easily. This simple preparation sets you up for success in creating delicious homemade butter. Now, let's get to the churning. Begin whisking your cold, heavy cream. It will first become whipped cream, but don't stop there. Keep whisking vigorously. You'll notice the cream becoming lumpy and then suddenly separating into solid butter fat and a liquid, which is buttermilk. This transformation is the magic of butter making. Once the butter has separated, carefully drain the buttermilk into a separate container. You can save it for baking. Next, wash the butter. Place it in a bowl of very cold water and knead it gently. Change the water several times until it runs clear, ensuring all the buttermilk is removed. This step is crucial for good flavor and shelf life. Finally, it's time to salt and store your homemade butter. If you prefer salted butter, add about 1/4 teaspoon of salt per stick, mixing it in thoroughly. Form your butter into sticks or a block, then wrap it tightly in parchment paper or plastic wrap. Store it in the refrigerator for up to 2 weeks or freeze it for longer. Don't forget to check the description for the Owala water bottle link and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.